Okay, so to work on this problem, we're going to revisit the ideas behind the FOIL method, behind multiplying using the FOIL method. We know that these first two are going to multiply to give us the first term. We also know that these last two are going to multiply to give us the last term. And finally, that the outside pairs plus the inside, the product of the two outsides and the product of the two insides, are going to add to give us the middle term. So we're going to use that idea to solve the equation and find the missing pieces. Let's look at how that works. It says to write the factors and the value for the first term. So how did I get that 24x squared? I multiplied 4x times a. It's important that you write 4x times a, and that equals 24x squared. That's going to be the answer in this box. Now, algebraically, if you divide both sides by 4x, we're going to get a equals 6x. So that's the answer in this box. All right? So now that we know that a is 6x, I'm going to multiply the two outsides. Remember the FOIL method. The outsides are 4x times b. So this equation is going to say 4x times b plus, not equals, plus the insides. And so that's negative 4 times 6x, which is negative 24x. And we know that gives us the middle. And now adding a positive 24x to both sides will give us 4x times b equals 20x, and dividing both sides by 4x will give us that b equals 5. So that's the equation that goes there. Now, the whole equation goes there, not 5, but b equals 5 goes in there. And the same thing here, the whole equation goes right there. And so finally, now that we know that b is 5, we know that b is 5, we know that c comes from the last times the last, which is negative 4 times 5. So c will be negative 20. And I hope that helps.